It's like the hood. You can't be in there. Where at exactly? Yo, it looks like the projects. That's the spot? That's where you're at. Man, you crazy. What the fuck you doing in the projects? Yeah, we're coming in right now. What I mean, there's a bunch of buildings.
To the left right here.
What buildings are you at? To the left? Alright, well, just fucking be outside or something. Man, you wasting my time today. I don't know what the fuck you doing.
I think it was right here.
Nah, he said it's up here. He said it's a couple buildings. He said we'll see them outside. Where you at? Oh, right here. Hey, there he is.
Hey, Tony. The fuck is this? Your drug dealer's house?
Yo, did I just pick you up from like copping something? What's wrong? What the fuck you doing?
I was banging this chick fucking here all night, bro.
Really? What's his name? What's his name? What are you doing here, man?
I wouldn't raw dog anything near this area. Look at this. What is this?
Oh, what's your house look
Actually, I live down right down. I live right down there.
like? I used to live right down the street, actually.
Oh my
People
god.
just leave their doors
Yo,
open
let's
like
just
this?
go pick up some fucking.
Holy
Yo, did you?
fuck.
So were you up all night fucking or something?
I'm fine, bro. Don't
Yeah,
worry
this
about it.
guy's probably got no fucking nothing. Got no wood for us, no nothing.
Fuck, man, I'm tired, bro. You got us out here early today, man.
I know.
Fuck.
Well, look at the weather, man. The weather changes on a dime, so
He
we
was
gotta.
trying, he was trying to
we
call
gotta
me
make
last
this
night
shit
to pick him
happen.
up. I was like, nah, bro, you're stuck
I know,
here.
you're fucking dude. I had to stay all night.
He's stuck
Yeah.
here.
So what happened? They stole your car? That's what it is, right?
No,
They stole your whip.
I left with her.
That's what you get for fucking around
My
with
car's still at the fucking
at the bar.
bar.
Yo, you picked this bitch up. Yo, look at this place. This is like.
Oh,
whoa, shit.
What the fuck? You.
Yo, what the fuck was that?
Oh shit, she came out of there. What the fuck's going on?
Yo, what the
there?
fuck?
Look, she left her door open, I guess.
Yo, did that just really happen?
She came out
Yo,
of this
she
alley.
bailed. Let's see if
Yo,
she
drive
tried
up
it.
there. Drive up there.
Where is she?
She went in that alley right
Oh,
there.
she did. I think she busted her right here and left them.
Oh shit, she's right there. Yo, what the fuck?
Nobody can see
Yo, is she taking a shit? Excuse, ma'am? Excuse me, miss. I could see you.
Do I know you?
Are you alright? Do you need help? Are you okay? Look, it's alright. Don't, look, you're fine. I'm not, we're okay. Look, come here. Talk to me. What, are you okay? Do you need help? You want us to call the cops or anything?
No.
No?
I just need to get in.
Need to get in what? In the car?
He isn't here. I need
What?
to go right now.
What? Are you okay?
I have trouble.
Yeah, what's going on? What's wrong?
This in a movie, man.
I just need to go. Can I just please get in your car, please?
What, tell me what's wrong and I'll
I can't tell you. I'll tell you when I get in. Just let me in, please.
Alright. Get in. What the fuck? Yo, roll up my window.
Oh, I'm out of
Roll
here,
up my
bro.
window.
This
Roll up
ain't-
my window.
Go.
Go. All right, we're going. Holy.
wow.
Okay. All right, we're going. Are you all right?
Is that? Do you know that guy?
Is that your landlord?
Thank you.